Hello, my fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome to another video. So I had a brilliant idea last night. I was browsing Pinterest and I was like, you're on Pinterest a lot. You take a lot of inspiration from Pinterest. Why don't you do a video recreating your Pinterest outfits? I mean, I don't think it's revolutionary. I'm pretty sure someone's probably already done this before. But I thought it would be really fun and maybe I can show you some DIY stuff. My goal for this video at least is to not buy anything that I need. So I just want to find stuff that's like already in my closet, put together the outfits, and then like see if they're even gonna look flattering on me. So yeah, let's dive right in. Did I say jive? Let's dive right on in.
Alright, so I just went on Pinterest. You can see my Pinterest here. And I was doing a lot of research, so let's jump ahead to me recreating the outfits.